Miss Birdie again, and our vlog for today is we're going to make celery, cucumber, and banana smoothie. So before that, we're going to cut all the ingredients. All we need is a stalk of cucumber and 3 different kind of carrots. Here in Taiwan, they have this kind of carrot here, the violet one, and the yellow, and the orange, and cucumber, and 2 bananas. We're going to make this as celery cucumber smoothie. This kind of smoothie is good for digestion. It's good for your health. See. The yellow carrot. Okay. So the ingredients all cut here. So let's put them into blender. Let's add a glass of water. Then let's blend. Transfer into the glass. Oh wow, naiiba talaga. Guys, so let's try our celery cucumber smoothie. Subukan natin inumin kung anong lasa niya. Masarap pa. Masarap, pero naaamoy mo yung amoy celery talaga. Some of the people do want to drink celery because of the smell, But for me, celery is good for the health. If you want to digest this smoothie is good for digestion. If you want to try this, then do it. But if not, then it's up to you. You can do this smoothie and drink every morning. It helps you. Amoy celery talaga. If you have kids and they don't want to eat fruits or eat vegetable, just try veggie and fruit smoothie for them to drink. And again, as I'm always saying, enjoy drinking your smoothie every day. Even if not every day, this is easy to do. Because some people, they don't have time to cook for their breakfast, so this is what they are doing. Just blend a smoothie and drink. Cheers! Thank you for watching. God bless.